So I'm going, so this is spinach, organic. This is cucumber, and this is celery. Got this one from Costco, 3 in a pack. And I'm going to do a green juice today, and this is my slow masticating juicer. 20 plus years ago, I used to do a lot of when I was vegetarian, drank a lot of juices, and I had the Champion, the Jack LaLanne, but this is kind of the latest one. I haven't been doing it much and wanting to get back to healthier life. So I'm just gonna finish this whole pack. It's been there for a while, and I bought another pack, so I like finishing up produce. And in between, I kind of add the green leaves, so they will get to be juiced. And no worries, you can't stick your finger in here, nothing gonna happen, but you can also push it. It's coming up. I don't have the green apple to make it sweeter, so we'll see. I found this sweet pear, so I'm just gonna add it in to make it sweeter. So hopefully my kids will find it sweet.